Hey guys, welcome back. And in today's video, we will learn about arrays in JavaScript. So what is an array in JavaScript? An array in JavaScript is essentially a list. They are used to store multiple items in a single variable. To write an array, first write the array variable for your array. After the equal sign, write a set of straight brackets. The straight brackets tell the computer that we are dealing with an array. Then write your list items inside the straight brackets. Make sure each item are separated by commas. And that's it. If we run this code, we will see our list of foods on the console of our website. When creating an array, there are some built-in functions that comes with it which we can use. One commonly used function is the push function. It is used to add an item to our list later on in the program after already creating the array. To write the push function, first write the name of the array. Then write a dot. After the dot, write the keyword push. Follow it with a set of parentheses. Inside the parentheses, write the item you want to add. For this code, we are adding a burger element in our array behind all the previous items. If we run this, we can see our burger item at the end of our array. Another function is the pop function. It lets us remove the last element from our array. Unlike the push function, the pop function doesn't accept any argument. Thus, we have an empty set of parentheses. If we run this, we can see that our last element is missing. With arrays, we can use indexing. Indexing in JavaScript means accessing items in an array by their position number. Every item in an array has an index number, and we can use this index number to access the item. So if we want to only access OutChicken element, here are some things we must do. First, we need to write our array name. Then we must write a set of straight brackets. Finally, inside the straight brackets, we can write our item's index number. If we are trying to access the chicken item, the index number would be 1. It is because computers always start with the number 0, so the first item has an index of 0, the second has an index of 1, and the third has an index of 2. If we run this code, we can see that our chicken element is exclusively displayed on the console. That's it for today. Like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.